Hello, this is my design of IoT project by Durgesh Chauhan and Deepak Sharma. We are using our Arduino Nano board, a ESP8266 module with a Hack Nano board to report the temperature measured by the LM35 temperature sensor on a web server. Here we have interfaced a LM35 temperature sensor with the Hack Nano board. We have connected the VCC and ground of the LM35 temperature sensor to the VCC and ground rails of Hack Nano board, and the output pin to the pin of the Arduino Nano. And we are serially writing that data through the ESP8266 module, and the data is being displayed on the web server. Here we can see the ambient temperature of this room is 31 degrees Celsius as measured by the LM35 temperature sensor. And when we put the temperature sensor near the heating vent of the laptop, we will be able to measure an increase in temperature. As we update the value, we can see the temperature has returned to 43 degrees Celsius.